Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Today, using a paper, we will make a ship and then we will convert it into pants and then again we will modify it to a camera. The students of all age group will love to make these origami paper items. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is a ship. You can see it seems like a ship. These two are the steam stakes of the ship. This is similar to pants. Through this we will insert our legs. What kind of pants is this? I don't know, but my kid is calling this as pants. So I am also calling this as pants. Press over here with your fingers for taking a snap. Please like and share this video among your friends. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.